Join me as I take on the Dance HIIT challenge and see if I can get shredded in just 30 days with this intense routine. Getting shredded in 30 days sounds like a crazy goal, but I'm excited to share with you a routine that can make it a reality. Introducing the Dance HIIT challenge, a fun and effective way to burn calories, build endurance, and sculpt your body in just 4 weeks. You know, traditional workouts can be a real drag, right? They can be boring, repetitive, and sometimes feel like a chore. But what if I told you there was a way to make working out feel like a party? Dance HIIT is the perfect solution for those who struggle with motivation because it's a high-energy, dance-based workout that's so much fun, you'll forget you're even exercising. I used to be one of those people who dreaded going to the gym, but when I discovered Dance HIIT, everything changed. I was finally able to stick to a routine, and I saw results so much faster. And it's not just about the physical benefits. Dance HIIT is a total mood booster. You'll leave each workout feeling energized, empowered, and ready to take on the day. So if you're tired of feeling like a hamster on a wheel and you're ready to shake things up, then Dance HIIT might just be the perfect solution for you. Okay, so let's talk about the structure of the Dance HIIT routine. This isn't your average dance class. We're talking high-intensity interval training, people. You'll be working in short bursts, followed by brief periods of rest. This type of training is proven to torch calories, boost your metabolism, and improve your overall cardiovascular health. Each workout is carefully crafted to target specific areas of the body, from legs and glutes to arms and abs. You'll be moving to the hottest tracks, from hip-hop to pop to electronic dance music. And don't worry if you're not a great dancer. The moves are simple, fun, and easy to follow. The key to success with Dance HIIT is proper form and technique. You want to make sure you're engaging the right muscles and avoiding injury. Don't worry if you're new to this type of workout. I'll be guiding you every step of the way. And the best part? You can modify the exercises to suit your fitness level. Whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned athlete, Dance HIIT can be adapted to meet your needs. I want to share a success story with you that really inspired me to take on this challenge. Amanda, one of my friends, completed the Dance HIIT challenge and lost an incredible 15 pounds in just 30 days. But it wasn't just about the weight loss. She told me that she felt more confident, more energetic, and more empowered than ever before. Amanda's transformation wasn't just physical, it was mental and emotional as well. She started to believe in herself, to trust the process, and to see the results. And that, my friends, is what it's all about. Recap time. Over the next 30 days, we're going to be working hard, sweating, and having a blast. Remember, consistency is key. You got this. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you're as excited as I am, please leave a comment below sharing your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe for more workout routines and fitness tips. And if you want to take your fitness to the next level, check out my video on how to stay motivated and avoid plateaus.